Hi everyone, today I will introduce our optical cable repeat bending testing machine. This equipment is suitable for testing the ability of the optical cable withstand the repeated bending. The equipment will apply the repeated bending force to the optical cable. The qualified optical cable should not be broken during the test. And the equipment adopts the color touchscreen display for the test control. And the equipment comes with the two kinds of the clamp. This one is used for the small optical cable, and this one is for some thicker optical cable.
Connect the power cord and data transmission cable to the back end of the test machine. Turn the control cabinet knob to start the touchscreen operating software. Cut a sample of appropriate length from the optical cable and install one end at the back of the test machine. Press and hold the right button to swing the bending device to the right. Install a jaw set of appropriate size on the top of the bending device, then install and fix the sample. Press and hold the left button to swing the bending device to the middle. Open the unused fixture device to avoid affecting the bending test. Install the jaw set of appropriate size on the bottom fixture, then install and fix the sample. Install the required weight. Turn the left and right handles to adjust the position so that the bending wheels at both ends are close to the optical cable sample. Set the bending time and bending speed, and click the 0 button to reset test position. After the position reset is completed, click the test button to start the test. You can view the current test progress through the control interface. The test is completed.